Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Daily Drug Info, and don't forget to subscribe Daily Drug Info to watch new videos. Today I will describe the health benefits of vitamin D3, a type of vitamin D sourced from animal-based food and sunlight. Vitamin D3 is naturally found in animal and animal derivative products like milk. It is also directly synthesized in the skin when it is exposed to ultraviolet radiation. Vitamin D3 has few health benefits, including helping the body absorb calcium. Food such as fish, beef liver, eggs, and cheese naturally containing vitamin D3. It can also be produced in the skin following exposure to ultraviolet radiation from the sun. Why do you need vitamin D? Vitamin D has many functions in the body, chief of which includes bone growth, bone remodeling, regulation of muscle contraction, conversion of blood glucose sugar into energy. Not getting enough vitamin D can lead to an array of health concerns including delayed growth in kids, rickets in kids, osteomalacia, loss of bone minerals in adult and adolescents, osteoporosis, porous, thinning bone in adult. How much vitamin D do I need? Current guidelines from National Institute of Health recommended that people aged 1 to 70 years should get 600 international units of vitamin D per day from all sources. What should I do if I forget a dose? Take the missed dose as soon as you remember it. However, if it is almost time for the next dose, skip the missed dose and continue your regular dosing schedule. Do not take a double dose to make up for the missed up. Side effects: cholecalciferol vitamin D3 may cause side effects. Tell your doctor if any one of symptoms are severe or do not go away. Loss of appetite, weight loss, nausea, vomiting, constipation. Before taking calciferol, tell your doctor and pharmacist if you are allergic to cholecalciferol and other medications or any of the ingredient cholecalciferol product. Ask your pharmacist for a list of the ingredients. Thank you for watching Daily Drug Info.